Let's grow some potatoes in a bucket with Tiffany. So you can use this grow bag, we have these in the store, or just a 5-gallon bucket, but you'll want to make sure you have holes in the bottom for drainage. This one's really cool because you can stick your hand in there and get some potatoes throughout the season. But let's get started with our soil. This is Hayseed Hank, so it's just a super soil. There it is, and you're just going to dump it right into the bottom of your bucket there, and about 6 inches or so. You don't want to fill it all the way up. You just want to start with a bottom layer. We're also going to use some bumper crop. So this is a really good garden soil. It has compost mixed into it. Lots of great things in here that'll give it so many more nutrients. So you're going to mix that in with the topsoil. You do want to find a sunny spot to put this bucket in, and it's going to be hard to move once it's full of soil. So pick a good spot in the sun, and then also you'll want to be watering it throughout the season, so make sure you have access to water as well. So then let's go ahead and grab our potatoes. These are seed potatoes, so you can find these. There's lots of different varieties in the store, and you are just going to put them down into that first layer of dirt and just cover them up about 1 to 2 inches. You don't want them extremely far under there, just kind of covered up, because this will start, their roots will start growing from here. So this will be your bottom layer, and then you'll start to get these green sprouts. And when you see those, you want to cover those with soil, because more potatoes are going to grow in layers. Let's check out this potato diagram. First, you're going to plant those seed potatoes. The green sprout's going to come up, cover them again. Another layer of potatoes is going to grow off from that. They're going to continue growing up, again, cover it back up with some more of that compost and that dirt. And then, once you get about 6 weeks in, you'll see tiny flowers on the plants. And after a few weeks later, the leaves and stalks will wilt and turn brown. That means it's time to harvest. So you can just dump the bucket out and start digging for those homegrown potatoes.